Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the rear wiper blade, so this one's ripped, simply lift it up off the glass, take the whole wiper blade assembly, push it this way, it'll pop out of the clip, take it off. This one's no good, it's going to fall apart. Before you install your new rear blade, if your rear window is really dirty, just clean it with some glass cleaner so you don't instantly destroy your brand new blade by rubbing it into this dirt. Take our new wiper blade and slide it over, and it's going to clip into place just like that. Lower it back down on the glass. The rear wiper blade is replaced.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.